Welcome to the Real Maxi Pets channel.
Hello everyone! Today we will tell you about the top beautiful parrots in the world. In total, there are 14 species of parrots in our rating, which are really the most unusual and beautiful. So let's take a closer look at each of them. The first is the Loriini Parrot. This is a tribe of small to medium-sized dendroid parrots. Loriini Parrot are characterized by beautiful bright plumage of different colors. They live mainly in Southeast Asia, Australia, and nearby islands. Also, these parrots have special tongues with tassels for feeding on nectar and soft fruits of trees. They are also very fond of sweet things, such as honey or fruit juice. Loriini parrots can feed on the flowers of about 5,000 plant species and use their specialized tongues to capture nectar. And the beauty of the bright multicolored Loriini parrot is simply undeniable. They are adorable. Number 2 is the Amazon parrot. They are medium-sized, short-tailed parrots native to the Americas, with a range extending from South America to Mexico and the Caribbean. Most Amazon parrots are predominantly green, with accent colors that depend on the species and can be quite bright. These birds are characterized by their playfulness, sociability, and ability to imitate human speech. This is why Amazon parrots are so popular as pets. However, due to the growing popularity of these birds, over time, there has been an increase in their capture for sale at pet markets, which has caused a massive decline in the population. Therefore, the Amazon parrot is now protected by conservation organizations in the United States and the European Union. The third is the black-capped Lory. The homeland of these parrots is New Guinea and nearby small islands. There are 7 subspecies of the black-capped Lory, and all have a red head and body, green wings, black feather cap, yellow underwings, blue legs and belly. Number 4 in our top collection is the crimson Rosella. This parrot species is native to eastern and southeastern Australia and is also found in New Zealand. This bird is characterized by a long tail, in size even larger than the body itself, as well as a beautiful mottled coloration of different colors. Crimson Rosella and has 7 subspecies that differ in color. In general, they are small parrots up to 12 inches in size and are usually found in mountain rainforests and gardens. Crimson Rosella parrots are truly amazing and beautiful. Number 5 is the Caique Parrot. This parrot species is found in South America around the Amazon basin and consists of 4 subspecies that differ in color. These parrots are long-lived and can live up to 40 years. They are also very playful, curious, and often live with people as pets. 6th in our top ranking is the Eclectus Parrot. It is a genus of parrots consisting of 4 currently known species. Eclectus parrots inhabit regions of Oceania, particularly Australia and New Guinea. They are the most sexually dimorphic of all parrot species. The males are bright green in color, while the females are dramatically different in color and are bright red. Eclectus parrots do well in a human family environment. They are playful and very intelligent, which makes them excellent pets. Also, these birds are considered long-lived and can live even up to 60 years. Number 7. Forpus Parrot. This is a neotropical genus of parrots that is characterized by its small size. These tiny birds range from 4–5 inches in length and weigh about 1 ounce. Forpus parrots live in the rainforests of Central and South America and have zygodactyly, which means that 2 toes point forward and 2 toes point backward. This helps them cling better to tree branches. The 8th most beautiful parrot is the Conure Parrot. Conures are known for their attractive looks, intelligence, and socialization with humans. They are indeed very playful and very trainable. They are even capable of performing tricks when well trained. Conure parrots are also very fond of playing amongst themselves. They are often called the clowns of the parrot world because of their constant desire for attention and play. These birds are particularly fond of eating grain, so they are often considered agricultural pests and are tried to be deterred in rural areas near grain fields. These parrots live in the Western Hemisphere, mainly in Central and South America. Most species of conures live in flocks of 20 or more birds, which is why they are so sociable. Number 9. Pionus Parrot. They are medium-sized parrots native to Mexico, Central and South America. They are distinguished by their beautiful, unusual coloration of mostly blue and green tones, as well as a small, short, square tail. As pets, these birds are quite calm and affectionate among all parrot species. 10 is the Cockatiel. These parrots are native to Australia. These are small birds that are defined in a separate subfamily and are the closest relatives of their larger counterparts of the Cockatoo family. Cockatiel is one of the most common species that are used as pets. These parrots are also very playful, and their main distinguishing feature is their unpretentious nature. They love to be petted by their owners. However, they are not very talkative, but this is what many owners appreciate most about them. Number 11 is a cockatoo. This is any of 21 species of parrots belonging to the family Cockatooidae. These parrots live in Australia, New Guinea, and the warm rainforests of the Asian islands, from the Philippines to Wallacea. On average, they are larger than other parrots, but the cockatiel, which we reviewed with you earlier, is the smallest species of cockatoo and is classified as a small bird. All other cockatoos are predominantly large. Cockatoos can be recognized by their prominent crests and curved beaks. There are even the most unusual birds, such as the palm cockatoo, which is famous for its beautiful black coloration, large beak, and larger than usual crest. Also interesting and gala cockatoos, which can be recognized by the pink coloration of the body and gray wings. All species of cockatoos are really amazing and beautiful. The next number 12 is Macaw. They inhabit Central and South America, as well as Mexico and the Caribbean. They are beautiful, brightly colored, huge parrots, known in the world as gentle giants. Macaws are one of the most intelligent parrots in the world, and some of the most sociable birds on our planet. They constantly need interaction in the wild with other birds or animals, or in a home environment they cannot go without socializing with humans. If they are left alone, they become nervous and make loud noises, so they need to be constantly watched and entertained. These parrots are truly one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Number 13 on our top list is Lovebird. These small parrots are even more appreciative of attention and companionship than macaws. Lovebirds inhabit the African continent and the African island of Madagascar. They got their name due to their strong monogamous pair bonds and the long periods the birds spend paired together, sitting together. The color of lovebirds can be different depending on the species. Mostly they have a green color, but there are, for example, species with blue tones. And completes our list of the top beautiful parrots in the world is number 14, Parakeet. It is one of many small to medium-sized parrots. In total, there are up to 115 different species of parakeets, varying in shape and coloration. They are distributed all over the world in warm regions. Usually, these parrots have long-tailed feathers and beautiful mottled coloration. Also, these parrots are the most common pets among all the pet birds in the world. They are very sociable and playful. They can pick up sounds and human speech from the environment and play similar tunes from what they hear. So we have introduced you to all the top beautiful parrots in the world. We hope you found our animal story fascinating and enjoyed it. We wish you well, prosperity, and all the best. See you again soon in new videos.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Real Maxi Pets channel. Like and share.